So this question looks like it's going to be a simplify question. Simplify questions are typically very short, somewhere between 1 and 3 lines long, and contain an equation and or expression, right? So both of those can be seen here. So let's see what we have. So we're given the equation 2x squared minus 8x minus 7 equals 0. We're then told one solution to the given equation can be written as 8 minus square root k divided by 4, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? All right, so the simplify strategy tells me I should look here first and ask myself, how do I simplify? Looking at the trinomial that we see, the 2x squared minus 8x minus 7, there really isn't a way to simplify. There's only a way to factor. Right? There's no like terms. When I say simplify, there's no like terms. There's no combination of things I can use here. I need to factor it. It's really the only thing I can do. And then that's where I hope that seeing how the solution can be written causes you to realize that maybe the best way to factor this is through using the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula says x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And that's how we'll get a solution that's in this format here. So let's do that. I'm going to first of all write down what my a, b, and c values are. So a is 2, b is negative 8, right? So all of that, the sign goes along with it. And c is negative 7. So let's fill those in. So x is equal to negative b, will make that a positive 8, plus or minus the square root. B squared, well, negative 8 times negative 8 is positive 64, minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is negative 7, all over 2a, which is just 2 times 2. Let's simplify that further. I'm going to use a different color. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, times negative 7 is positive 56. So this whole thing becomes 56. 56 plus 64 is 120. So then we have 8 plus or minus square root 120 all over 4. Now let's look to see, can we simplify the square root 120? Actually, there's no need to, because again, going back to how the question says our solution should look, x equals 8 plus or minus square root 120 over 4 means that one of our solutions is 8 plus root 120 over 4, and the other is 8 minus square root 120 over 4. I see the 4 that the question tells me I want to have in the denominator. I see the 8 that the question also tells me that I want to have in my numerator. So my k value must be this 120 under the square root, just like it's located in the question, and therefore that's my answer. My answer is 120. So although I can simplify the square root of 120, right, that can be broken down into a smaller radical, that would not be the correct answer, because then that would break the format that the question tells me I want. So k here is equal to 120.